Alright, 2001 LB7 here. I got a big coolant system project going on. Water pump, oil cooler, lower hose, and I just want to show you guys how to do this oil cooler. And my truck's a 2-wheel drive, so it's pretty easy comparatively. So you only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I believe they're all going to be the same as all these 12. So let's let me show you this real quick. Alright, so mine's 2-wheel drive. You're plan to do an oil change around this. Alright, so there it sits, driver's side, you know, behind the front wheel basically. And the only thing that's even remotely tricky on this, on a 2-wheel drive, as you can see, we got the, if you look at right here, I mean, here's the 1, 2, and 3 right back here. And on this one, you can see one right there. And there's going to be one more on the other side. You'll feel for it and get it. Now make sure, on a 4-wheel drive, I believe you got to take off this plate, which will be the 2 screws right here. And there's studs back there that the nut has to come off, and probably the stud itself. If you go back and watch the video I made on the 4x4 one. So there's the stud. Can you see it? And the nut on the elbow. This is the elbow right in front of you that you're looking at. And that's the only thing holding it on. So either 1 or 2 of both of those have to come out to get this thing out. And then also the front to and then also the front screws on the water pump. I'll show you right here. I already took this off first. Great time. That connects to that tube that runs from right here all the way to that pipe. And let's see if you can see it in the truck. It's kind of a pain getting those 2 nuts off. There it is right there. See how it's leaking still? I just throw some coolant in it. But that's where it goes, and it runs all the way back, kind of down there to the cooler itself. But definitely, if you're doing this, I'm kind of dirty because my truck's been leaking a lot after 400K, so I'm just doing a lot right now, and I just wanted to make that video since there isn't a whole lot of videos, but just to give you a visual. There's, and then the elbow that comes on front, that's what turns down. That's what turns down and onto the block. So 4x4s, you'll probably have to remove the elbow slowly and nicely. You're probably gonna dump coolant on your face, but just take your time, you'll get it done. Make sure you don't strip those studs, and otherwise you'll be fine. If this is if you live in the Rust Belt, speaking from someone who's born in Chicagoland, now I live in Georgia. If you live in the Rust Belt, unless you have a shop at your disposal, might be a better idea to pay a shop to do that, just in case something rusts that you can't get off or it snaps, because then you're going to be in a world of hurt if you're doing this in your driveway, like I am here. So, just wanted to put that out there. It's definitely doable at home, pending everything comes out nice. And I mean, it's an LB7. A lot of maintenance at times. Other times they run great. So it is what it is.